to brief you on the command's recent achievements. In the last 2 days, the FCT command has made arrests and rescues, which I'll be reading out to you. Interception of suspected child trafficking operation. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we thank you for being here today. The Federal Capital Territory FCT Command wishes to brief you on a significant interception made by one of our patrol teams. On 6th January 2025, at about 15:30 hours, a team led by Deputy Superintendent of Police, Sauki Umar, intercepted a white Peugeot J5 with registration number KM 23283ZJ along Abuja Kano route. The vehicle was driven by one Ali Ibrahim, a male resident of Kano State, accompanied by his motorboy named Al-Azan Ibrahim, also of Kano State. The bus was found to be transporting 59 male children aged between 4 to 12 years old. Preliminary investigations revealed that the children, who came from different families, were being transported by one Idris Usman, a male resident of Nasarawa State. He traveled to Kano State to convey the children en route Nasarawa State under the pretext, or according to him, for training them. This incident has been classified as a case of suspected child abuse and trafficking, given the circumstances and the absence of proper documentation or parental consent for the movement of the minors. At present, the suspect, the vehicle, and all the children are with us, while a thorough investigation is underway. The Police Command is working closely with the FCT Social Developmental Secretariat, the SCD, to ensure that the children are safely reunited with their families and to bring all those involved in this to justice. I want to reiterate our commitment to protecting vulnerable groups, particularly children, from exploitation and abuse, in line with the Child's Rights Act of 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, I present the children for you to see, and all of them were recovered from a bus, all cramped together like sardine in the bus. All of them brought in from Kano. We are working with the SDS to ensure that they help us to take custody of the children, while the Federal Capital Territory government make arrangements for the transportation of these children back to where they are brought from. Thank you so much for listening to us.
He is 60 years old. He is a farmer, also a teacher. Farmer and at the same time a teacher.
Arabic.
He says he's an Islamic teacher. He says he's up to 40 years teaching Islamic education. He says he's teaching them Islamic education. Kai daga Kano kake, ya aka ɗauko yaran zuwa Abuja?
Daga Kano nake kware kwa. Kuma za ba Abuja za mu tsaya ba, Kyafi za mu je mu. Kyafi ma sabon gida nan muke zuwa. Ita na je ya kai sau 18 sabon gida.
He says he's taking them to Kefi, and even in Kefi he's not going to stay there, he's going to one village called Sabongida. He says he has been there for more than 18 times. Motoci nawa kai amfani da su na ɗauko yaran nan?
Mota ɗaya ne.
Only single vehicle they used to fly. Bacin ka koyar musu me kake yi da su? Bacin ka gama koyar musu?
Muka koma gida ko yana zuwa gaban iyayensa ne.
So after he teach us, he will carry them back to their parents. Children that he has ever carried to come with them. Wai suna tambayan ka ne ya kake wannan sana'a kake ya kake ciyar da waɗannan yaran da yawa da ka ɗauko da su daga wajen iyayensu.
Ana yin sana'a ba, ana guzurin abinci kuma da kanan haka ana taimakawa da abin da Allah ya hore har a gama rani kamar su kwana 60 a koma.
Motar da aka kama ka da shi akwai guzurin abincin a ciki?
Akwai.
He said that he usually carry food from Kano, and sometimes some people usually give him food and use it to feed. I asked him, how did he get those food? He said some people usually give it to them. And maybe let me ask him also, did he usually send them to go and look for them? Why kana tura yaran suna bara ne ko kuma ya ake?
Suna zuwa bara kamar da daddare ko haka da rana.
He said they usually go and beg in the morning and in the night. Shin iyayensu sun san cewa ka ɗauko su?
Tabbas kowanne ubansa ne ya danƙa min shi.
He said that he collected them from their parents. Shekaru nawa za su yi a wajen kan su haddace Qur'ani?
Ta ai abin da yasa ka san da yake in an je rani an dawo sai baɗi a koma. Kuma wani haka zuwa 2 zuwa 3 ya fara kwari ba zai ba. Na haka ba a gama sauki a wani kuma yana sauki ake koma.
He said it depends. Some of them, if they started becoming adults, they will just run away. They will not finish the Quran. That is the actual thing. They say not all of them. He says some they will come only once and they will not come back, while others will come and go. That's what he's saying.
Kamar nan mun je masaukin mu muna da limami yana lura da mu. Masaukin mu ne gidan mu kenan. Na sabon gida.
That they say if they reach sabon gida, there is an imam. He's one that usually supervises him. That's what they say. Yanzu da aka kama ka ya kaji.
Na kadare na aji abin kaddara ne haka Allah ya kawo tunda shekara ta kai 40 ane ban taba samun irin wata hali ba sai wannan karo. Na aji abin Allah ne ya kawo.
He says it's a will of God. He says it's a will of God. Shin ka san cewa daukan yara ƙanana ka tafi da su haka laifi ne?
Tunda yanzu ya zama kwarai ya zama laifi ne kuma ba a ƙara ba.
A cewa ka sani dama laifi ne kake ka san cewa daukan yaro ka tafi da shi haka ba wajen yansa ka bar shi yana lafiri gararan ba cikin gari sai ya ji ya nemi abin da zai ci wani lokaci ma bai samu ka san laifi ne?
A'a ban san laifi ba gaskiya tsakani da Allah sai yanzu.
He said that he don't know that it is an offense. It's just now that he's realizing that it's an offense.
Some of my constituents, in the afternoon today, I have a call from one of my local government that there are some people or some small children leaving Kano to Nasarawa State for Almajiris, and police stop them and start asking them a question, take them to Asokoro police station. Therefore, I met them at Asokoro police station, asked them a question, and I realized that they all know me, and I know their mission is to go for Quranic education. Then they transfer them to police headquarters, and after interrogation and the questions, then we now agree that they will release them to social welfare of the FCT, then they release them to me to take them back home.
So do you know the parents?
Quite all right, quite all right. All of them know me. All of them know me. When I go to Asokoro police station, they all start calling my name and they feel happy because definitely they knew that I came to rescue them.
But sir, why would they leave Kano to another state for Almajiris?
This is the question I am asking. You know, naturally, it is in our own culture, in our own tradition. Now we are in transition. We want to change the narration, and you need to do a lot. We need government intervention. We need society intervention, and we need individual parent intervention to stop it. Let us devise another way of teaching Quran, and of course, we are achieving in doing so.
Are you worried that this J5 bus can convey 59 children?
I am not happy. That is the reason why I rushed to the scene, and we have agreed now that we are taking them back to home, and I will speak with their parents and the leaders of their community. Definitely there must be a change, but I keep repeating it. It is the responsibility of the parent, the responsibility of the society, and of course government. We must put our head together and stop this kind of system.
Okay, for the suspects, what are you recommending?
Nobody is suspecting them.
No,
Remove it from your mouth.
What message do you have for parents that allow their children to live?
Then they need to understand Quran, how it is, and the teaching of our noble prophet. The boy or the baby or anybody under 18 must be under the care of his parent. As a parent, you must take care of your children up to the age of 15. It is mandatory. Definitely, you must do it. Of course, it's necessary for you to teach them Quran and Islamic knowledge, but you must do it in tandem, in accordance with the teaching of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
The person that conveyed them here.
They are not conveying them to Abuja, he is conveying them to Nasarawa, which is very normal. It is usual.
How normal it is, sir?
What do you want? Are you not in Nigeria?
I'm a journalist. I'm asking questions.
It is normal. Almajiri. Everybody knew that there is Almajiri system, which we are doing our best.
59 people, 59 children.
What are you taking me? What are you telling me then? What are you telling me? Are you a journalist or you are? What?
You don't do now.
You are taking this personal.